We're still hearing from a lot of you who say you got a surprise bill for a newborn hearing screening after delivering your child at Brookwood Baptist Medical Center.
We've been looking into this problem for more than a month now. Morgan Hightower on your side tonight, getting results and possible relief for these parents and their nearly $400 bills.
It was not presented as an option. It was presented as, this is on the checklist. This has to happen.
The Dixons' frustration after receiving surprise bills for their newborn hearing screening tripled.
12 months later, how did we end up with a bill that we didn't see coming?
Matt's wife, Melissa, gave birth to triplets at Brookwood Baptist Medical Center in September 2020. And before delivery, they made sure to ask about out-of-pocket expenses. They say no one mentioned anything about the hearing screening, but 1 year later, bills from hearing screening associates arrived.
She painstakingly researched each of the doctors she was supposed to see, made sure everything was in network. I mean, we lined it up as well as we thought we could have, and which was just contributed to our frustration.
Their story, like more than a dozen other parents we've talked to, and one millions of Americans share. You go to an in-network facility, get seen by an out-of-network provider, and end up with an unexpected bill.
This has been a long-standing problem.
One Congress aims to end through the No Surprises Act. It was passed 3 months after Dixon's triplets were born, but went into effect January 1st.
These new rules will protect consumers when they go to an emergency room, when they have a scheduled procedure at a hospital that's an in-network to their health plan, and to when they have air ambulance transportation when they're transported by aircraft in an emergency or non-emergency situation.
Chuck Bell is a programs director for Consumer Reports, an advocacy group that has been working to alert and protect people from issues like surprise billing. The No Surprises Act won't help Dixon or the other parents, but Bell believes Brookwood should.
I think they do have responsibility looking backwards retrospectively. If they did not have the right rules in place to protect patients financially, perhaps they can step up now and get these bills resolved for those patients.
And that's what Brookwood is now doing, months after we started asking about this. In a statement, they say in part, we are working with hearing screening associates and Blue Cross Blue Shield of Alabama to reach a solution that releases our patients from any financial obligation.
Brookwood says they're working on a solution, but aren't saying how long that will take. We will keep asking questions, and in the meantime, Bell says there's something you should do if you're one of the families this affects. We have that advice and this story on WBRC.com. Morgan Hightower, WBRC Fox 6 News on your